let's get you this breaking update. First up, coming in, we are hearing that the Karnataka BJP in charge, Arun Singh, right now is chairing this crucial meeting at the Kumar Krupa Guest House in Bangalore. This meeting comes amidst reports of the rift in the Karnataka BJP. We are standing by to get you more live updates with our colleague Sagai, who will just join us in a bit. But do remember again and again, there had been reports.
हमारी सभी प्रदेश जिले की कार्यसमिति की बैठकें समय पे हो, उसके लिए वन टाइम प्लास्टिक जो है उसका उपयोग न करें, उस कार्यक्रम की रचना बनाएंगे। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योगा दिवस की भी तैयारी के लिए मैं आया हूँ कि सभी जो आगे के कार्यक्रम हैं उनकी किस प्रकार से रूपरेखा बनाई जाए। वह सरकार ने और मुख्यमंत्री और मंत्रियों ने कोविड के दौरान दिन रात मेहनत करके लोगों की सेवा की है, लगातार काम किया है और सरकार के द्वारा अनाउंसमेंट भी 1 लाख रुपए की 1 लाख रुपए का अनुदान जो डेथ हुआ है वो देश में बहुत मतलब पहला राज्य जैसा होगा जो अनाउंसमेंट हुआ है। कांग्रेस पार्टी कोविड के दौरान केवल आरोप प्रत्यारोप लगा रही थी, जमीन पे काम नहीं कर रही थी। जेडीएस क्वारंटाइन थी, फील्ड में केवल कोई देख रहा था, तो यहाँ येदियुरप्पा सरकार, उनके मंत्री और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता दिख रहे थे।
सर, in between there was also political crisis within BJP government here in the state, where MLAs were complaining about your chief minister reaching out Delhi, talking about chief ministers and his son's involvement.
देखो, एक हमारे पार्टी के सभी कार्यकर्ता, सभी मंत्री, सभी विधायक एकजुट हैं, किसी प्रकार का कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है। इतना मैं जरूर कहूँगा कि कोई भी विधायक हो, उसको बात करनी हो तो इंडिविजुअल पे बात करे, मीडिया में वो स्टेटमेंट न दे, अपने क्षेत्र में काम करे, जनता के लिए काम करे, पार्टी के काम को आगे बढ़ाए। अरे यही मुझको कहना था। बाकी मैंने बता दिया, येदियुरप्पा जी के नेतृत्व में अच्छा काम हो रहा है। मैंने कई बार बता दिया, उसको बार बार पूछने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। ठीक है सर।
All right, so I think we just heard Arun Singh there speaking, and we can connect with Sagai, I think, who was also again a part and listening to all these question answers. But you know, at the end of it, Sagai, I think Arun Singh there, the BJP in charge in Karnataka, has ducked the most important question that you had thrown at him. That is there a rift right now in the BJP, and why do these reports, Sagai, keep surfacing again and again then?
Yes, so just now Karnataka BJP in charge Arun Singh has spoken to the media, and he said that he has requested all his leaders, MLAs, not to speak in public about whatever the crisis that MLAs are facing, the government is facing right now in the state. And you can see that ministers have been here. Sir, Ashok sir, so what was Arun Singh spoke to you then?
Yeah, there is no change of CM. Yediyurappa will continue. He came for the party program because all general secretary is going there in charge district.
Action will be taken against those MLAs, ministers who spoke against chief minister.
I think there is no allegation on chief ministers. Anything problem on the constituency, they will speak.
Yogeshwar spoke, Baswaraja spoke against the chief minister.
No.
Whether there will be action taken against them, any disciplinary action.
Abhi sabhi bola hai, Yediyurappa is our leader. Arun Singh ji also repeated now. Chatta baram bolenge, Yediyurappa will continue. That is the thing. There is no change.
No action against MLAs and ministers as well.
No, we will discuss in the meeting. Yeah, we will discuss in the meeting.
When the meeting has some ministers and MLAs?
Today minister meeting is tomorrow MLA's meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So you heard from the Revenue Minister of Karnataka, R. Ashok, who said that there will be a meeting which will be held in BJP office where ministers will be meeting Karnataka in charge Arun Singh, and subsequently all the MLAs will be meeting him tomorrow, where they will be discussing about the political crisis which is happening within BJP government here in the state. And followed by that, there is a core committee meeting which will be conducted day after tomorrow, and a decision will be taken. We have also questioned him about the disciplinary action taken against the people who have spoken against the Chief Minister. They said that everything will be discussed in the meeting.
Okay, and Sagai, the senior Karnataka BJP minister, I think K.S. Ishwarappa also actually admitted that yes, there were calls within the party for the chief minister to go. Now, why should such reports keep surfacing again and again? Is there some bit of discontent? And is Arun Singh actually then in Karnataka